It's another hot day out here and the sun is cooking my car, but I have this sun umbrella with a unique little twist. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here in the hot summer sun, and my car is getting baked. The light coming through the windshield there allows me to see, one, but also makes my car like an oven. But I have tried these umbrellas here that go into the front windscreen and reflect some of the sun. But this one has a unique feature here at the bottom, which I think will make it fit even better. Let's check it out. All right, so this sunshade comes in this little vinyl pouch like so many of them do, and for the most part it looks the same. Black interior, kind of a silver reflective. Reminds me of the old school movie screens material on the outside that'll reflect the sunlight. But what's interesting about this is this down here. You can see that we have this little floating tab right there, and I want to just open this up here. Okay, what makes this a little different is that these are usually umbrella-like handles. There might be a button here that helps deploy it. They're not usually spring-loaded. But what you can see here is we have this post, and then you have to actually kind of pull, a lot easier with two hands, this middle post out and push the top up. And you can see there's a little tab up there where it will lock into place. And then when you want to release it, you just push here and that will unlock the tab there. What makes this unique is now we have a little hinge right there. And so this little arm will move around. So you can see that it's like a little kickstand. And what I love about this is that I can swing this around and potentially brace this whole sunshade up against the glass a little bit better, because I can angle this down and maybe put it on the dashboard. When this was just like an umbrella handle sticking out, it would just kind of actually pull the whole sunshade down a little bit. That weight would pull down and it wasn't bracing on anything. I do want to show you up here, we have a little V cutout. I think that is for the rear view mirror, so it will kind of lock around there, but a little wider on the bottoms than at the top. So, you know, the windshield is usually a little wider at the bottom. So let's go ahead and put this in and see if it works. All right, I've got it on fisheye here so that you can see everything in my Buick Encore. You can see this is pretty big. It's actually going over the edges of the windshield. But what I will do here is if I release this, it's just going to sag down here. Now, it's not obviously bracing around this rear view mirror like some would. I can take these, I can kind of tuck them in the edges here, but this is a kind of a problem that I have with a lot of them. More so with this one because there's a cutout. It's not wedging itself underneath this rear view mirror here. But if I take this little kickstand now and I kind of push it down into a position where it might actually hold itself up on the dashboard, now it is pushed right against the glass. I can kind of fix this a little bit here, but it is using the dashboard to hold itself in place, which none of these sun umbrellas have done in the past. So I really like this. This piece right here is the key. So if you're looking for a sunshade that will actually brace itself against the dashboard, this is what you want here. So I will put a link to this sunshade in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.